Hey, this is from the television show called The Invaders in 1967 and 1968. It didn't last too long, but for me, it's really a wonderful television show because it does reveal a considerable amount of truth about our current life right now. So in this episode called The Crystal Wall, the aliens have produced a chemical that, when released on the earth, takes away respirations. In other words, human beings can't breathe. Now, a small portion of this substance has been sent to a laboratory for analysis. And that's the scene that you're about to watch.
Harry? Harry? Harry, it's Ted Booth. Harry? Police, there's been a bad accident at Laboratory Analysts Incorporated. That's right. 775 Academy Boulevard. Never mind who this is. Let's get somebody up here. Come on.
Okay, the man that came into the laboratory there was Ted Booth, who represents the media because he's on television, has connections with newspaper and so forth. So he's quite interested in this whole phenomena of this substance that causes people to not be able to breathe properly. And hence he's involved in the search for answers against what is happening with the alien invasion. Now he works a little bit in conjunction with David Vincent, our hero. By the way, David Vincent is my hero too. Because David Vincent knows about them, tries to expose them, and he's not very successful. Well, what is happening? What is happening today? What substances are being injected into the human body? What substances are being taken into the human body by the simple act of breathing the air? I don't know. But I know one thing. I'm a little like David Vincent, and a little like Theodore Booth, the man that came into the chemical lab and discovered the researcher dead from lack of oxygen, the inability to breathe. So together let's work, see if we can find answers. These television shows are quite revealing, and it's very interesting to me that all the way back to 1967, some of these plots were actually being shown to the public in the form of television shows. So I'll try to end with a positive note. How do you counterbalance all this nonsense and lies and deceptions around you? The best way to counterbalance it is to take in from the Word of God, to read your Holy Bible, and to hide the Word in your heart. Thy word have I hid in my heart, that I might not sin against thee. If you take the Word of God in, instead of the word of the world, you'll be strong, and you'll endure in this satanic world around us. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Your support and your interest means a great deal to me. And just the fact that one or two of you makes a comment and lets me know you're out there, it inspires me to try to keep making some videos. Thank you for watching. End of video.